Welcome, dear learner. Hope you are fit and fine and staying in safe. In my previous video, I have discussed on MCQ on chemotherapeutic agents. You can go through that if you have not followed yet. I request all of you to subscribe the channel and watch till the end of this video. I shall tell you how to subscribe from Facebook link after the questionnaire session. Today I am here with MCQ series on alkaloids. The aim and objectives of this video are: it will help the students for the preparation of GPAT, for the preparations of NIPER, for the preparations of PGATE, that is postgraduate entrance test, for the entry of MPharm in Markout, West Bengal, CU set, that is Central University Common Entrance Test for MPharm entry, different types of entrance test for both BPharm and MPharm, GLET for the entry into second year through lateral entry, for the preparations of job interviews, for the preparations of pharmacist job examination, and for the semester examination. After all, the students can utilize their boring time and can gather knowledges in the crisis of COVID-19. Now moving on to the question number 1. Argot powder gives blue color on reactions with. The four options are formaldehyde, cinnamaldehyde, para-dimethyl aminobenzaldehyde, and benzaldehyde. Here the most appropriate option for this question is C, that is para-dimethyl aminobenzaldehyde, and this reagent is known as Van Ark's reagent, and this chemical test is known as Van Ark's test. Moving on to question number 2. Argometrin gives dash fluorescence in water. Four options are there: yellow, red, blue, and green. Here the most appropriate answer will be blue. Here argometrin is obtained from the plant argot, and it is used as oxytocic agent. Next question is: Crofig is the synonym for the drug Rauwolfia serpentina, Atropa belladonna, Strychnox nux vomica, Claviceps purpurea. Here the most appropriate answer is Strychnox nux vomica, because the synonym of Rauwolfia serpentina is Sarpagandha, synonym of Atropa belladonna is Delhi nightshade, and synonym for Claviceps purpurea is a rye plant. Moving on to question number 4. One of the following microscopic characters not associated with nux vomica seed is. Four options are there. Epidermis consists of lignified trichomes, calcium oxalate crystals and starch grains are present. Epidermis is followed by layer of collapsible cells. Endosperm shows presence of plasmodesmata. In the question, a word not is there. It means among four options, three are correct for nux vomica seeds and one is wrong. So you should find the wrong statement. Here option B will be the most appropriate answer for question number 4, because Nux vomica seed does not present calcium oxalate crystals and starch grains. Next question is, Strychnops nux vomica belongs to the family Liliaceae, Scrofulariaceae, Apocynaceae, Loganiaceae. Here the most appropriate answer will be Loganiaceae. Moving on, question number 6. Alkaloid in cinchona bark are detected by iodine test, Lieberman-Burchard test, Thalloquin test, Nessler test. Here most appropriate answer will be Thalloquin test. Moving on, question number 7. Cocaine is monoacidic tertiary base on treatment with dilute acid gives igonine, methyl alcohol and scopic acid, igonine, methyl alcohol and cinnamic acid, igonine, methyl alcohol and benzoic acid, igonine, methyl alcohol, ethyl alcohol and benzoic acid. In the question, it is asked that what is the hydrolytic product, acid hydrolytic product of cocaine. Here the most appropriate answer is C, that is igonine, methyl alcohol and benzoic acid. Next question is, one of the following general characteristics is not true for alkaloids. It means among 4 options, 3 statements are correct for alkaloids and 1 is wrong. So you should find the wrong statement. The 4 options are nitrogen in the heterocyclic nucleus. It is true for alkaloid. Good solubility in organic solvent. It is also true for alkaloid. Exhibits optical activity. It is also true for alkaloid. pK is less than 7. It is not true for alkaloid. So option C will be the correct appropriate answer for question number 8. Moving on, question number 9. Caffeine on reactions with KClO3 and HCl gives blue color, yellow color, reddish brown color, purple color. This reaction, caffeine with KClO3 plus HCl, is known as Murexide test. And in this test, caffeine gives two compounds. One is dimethyl alloxane and second one is methyl urea. This is the Murexide test, and in this test purple color is appeared. So here option D will be the most appropriate answer for question number 9. Moving on, question number 10. The alkaloid which inhibits the cholinesterase enzyme. 4 options are neostigmine, physostigmine, pyridostigmine, scopolamine. Here the most appropriate answer is physostigmine. Next question. The glycoside present in cinchona. Generally, cinchona consists of active constituents which are all alkaloid, but one glycosidic constituents are there. We have to find it. The options are quinovine, senoside A, carminic acid, digoxin. Here senoside A is obtained from senna glycoside. Carminic acid is obtained from cochineal, an insect. Digoxin is obtained from digitalis. And quinovine is obtained from cinchona. So option A is the correct appropriate answer for question number 11. Moving on, question number 12. The glycoside present in Nux vomica. Four options are there. These are loganin, andrographaloids, cascarosides, sinigrin. Here, andrographaloid is obtained from Calmec, that is Andrographaloid paniculata. Cascaroside is obtained from Cascara glycoside. Sinigrin is obtained from black mustards. And loganin is obtained from Nux vomica seeds. And it is an glycoside. It is a glycoside. So the most appropriate answer for question number 12 is option A, loganin. Now, how to subscribe my channel from Facebook link. In the picture, click on the link provided in the Facebook. Then a window will come which is shown in the picture. Now click on three dot present in horizontal position. Then a window will appear like this. Then click on open in YouTube. Then you will find this window. Now click on subscribe button. Then you will find a bell icon. Click on this. Three option will appear. Then click the option all. Then you will see like this, subscribed and bell icon, subscribed and bell icon. It is confirmed that you are subscribed my channel, and the bell icon will help you to get the new video notification. Thank you for watching.